Dear students, in my this video, I will discuss about the visual aids for effective presentation. When visual aids is what you see somewhere, what comes to your mind? Something that you can view, something that you can see, something that makes things more clear by looking at them. So here, as you can see in the material, spoken words can be forgotten easily. Very true. If you hear something, it might get out of your mind. But if you see something, there are chances that you will remember it more. So, a saying is that people trust their ears less than their eyes. With this saying, this has been clearly mentioned that if you see something, then you will believe it compared to what you have heard through your ears. And so you can understand with this line how important visual aids in your presentation are. Because of this limitation, strong visual support becomes very important. Now, what all can you include in your visual support or for the clarity of whatever you have written? Handouts. Handouts means simple displays in terms of charts or in terms of matter that is written on maybe a sheet of paper or any such hanging material. Chalkboards. So you can use the blackboard or the green board or the whiteboard. Flip charts. Flip charts, you can make charts and then you can just flip them one by one depending upon the point you are talking about. Overhead projectors also you can use by including the slides. Then computers you can display with the help of your systems, and the conventional charts, tables, films, etc. Now, very commonly we use PowerPoint presentations to show the content in terms of tables, diagrams, then other images, so that you can relate to the things in a more clear manner. If a picture is simple and clear in its purpose and audience, it will deliver message more accurately and quickly than a verbal explanation. Relation to this, there is a common saying that a picture is equal to 1,000 words. So you can understand that instead of writing maybe 100 words or 150 words, if you draw a clear and a bold picture or a diagram, then the person can have more clarity of what is your true meaning or what do you want to convey to the audience. Hence, visual aids become very important. They also act as supporting material when you are providing information on any topic and going in detail, and helps the audience in getting more focused and being attentive. Now, from visual aids, we will move to understanding the nuances, that is, grading of delivery. Now, how can you understand what are the different methods in which you can deliver your presentation and which method is best suited for your presentation? This we will cover here. So, what makes the presentation hold the attention and guide your audience? The nuances of presentation, that is, the voice, the perfectly timed pauses, the facial expressions, and gestures. When it comes to presentation, few things become very important. Choosing the best method for the presentation, and then once you've decided the method, then how you should use your voice, how you should time the pauses, like when you should stop, when you should continue, like at the beginning of a new point or when you are completing a particular point, and the facial expressions, maybe when you are talking something serious or you are on a lighter note, and the gestures, that is how you should use your hands, how you should use your limbs, so that the audience feel more connected, is very important. All this is a part of the expert delivery that we aim to make. One thing becomes clear: having something to say is not enough. One must know how to say it. Very true. It is not only important that you have good material or informative points to speak about, but it is also important that you know how well you can deliver your points. For this, there are four methods of delivery which can be used commonly, and you should be knowing the four methods so that you can pick the right fit or the best suitable method as per your content. So, the four methods are extemporaneous, manuscript, impromptu, and memorization. We will go through all these methods one by one, and this we will do in our next video. Thank you.